Menteri Rangba ka jela Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma menta kesengi ka nyau trik uyayong araja ar Plie ka solar power energy ha sau nongkarai health and wellness center khnang bagate ka jaka jingsumar kanum syakta ha ka jing syakri yaki paiba ha ka panggasitom nakadaw jong ka jingthun ka boarding electric kumbala penken mau hakani kesengi ka jingtemuhi banbu yakini ki sustainable energy solution kalong ban pensuk yakinong trei ka sanat ka koi ka khia pakinum syakta na ka jingthun ka boarding pat khamtam kinu ka jaka jingsumar ka don kam ban don be ya ka boarding kumbabun na ki dawai lahap banbu ha kita ki jaka bhab ban pandai tha yaki balatip kum kita ki vaccine storage kabadon kambe ya ka boarding electric hagani gasngi nalo jong Menteri Rangba ka jela ubalalong ukongsan laidon langru MLA ka umsning uba Jason S Maulong Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy Mission Director ka National Health Mission CEO ka AIC Selco Foundation ka Dr. MC Emily District and Medical Health Officer ka Riboy bat lai misemru da ka jinga don lang ki nong train na katanat ka koi ka khia ki nong tre asha bat ki pat ba jong ka te ka thain habakren kumu kongsan Conrad K Sangma ulong ru ba ka sarkar ka panpaw ru ka jing sokmen bada ka jinge trailang ka Selco Foundation ka bana Assam kan sabu sa shispa atli ki power energy ha ki jaka ajing sumar ha ki jela ki badai ha ki bynta jong ki shnong nong kendong shushu komba mata kasngi la rakhe ye ka World Health Day Menteri Rangba ka jela ulabo ru ye ka jingkerpat shabaru ki nong trei ka tanat ka koi ka khia bat kumjo ru ya ki paiba bandon ye ka mensim jong ka jinga trailang na ka banta ban kintiu shushu ya ka koi ka khia jong ki paiba
Zaman shipping strategy ban Plie kenika incorporate kenika solo panel hangni ha umsau na khara di kenika solo panel la le ada kenika Selco Foundation kapal atai ko pat ka NHM di long hari boy ila le shukli haki sub centers di kenika sub centers umsau na khara kenika we kapa ila de mentang asisnem di lingba kani ka jing ai jong kani ka Selco foundation ye kani ka sola namar ba kreatif kum hari boy jani di kejutut ha kani ka lai di menta bakat kani ka sub center kala ka health wellness center i happy day kani ki reporting ki ai kepada ki online di gidan ru sakani ka daily consultation di lara ngimdan ka light electricity di isim jeke kini kita try hangi makin le di kala Arab subuan namar ba inong haru kilai khabe bun hi ke banwan khang ni di paka di hadu menta nadu pas dang ban pen khana du hijrik ograi ba September 2020 la don hadu nyu ko argut kila pen khapun ni tidak ka jingdan jari ka solar hangi energy buat kalau besuk iki kan buat aku buat beli light room langsung pan penkha kan di umdi tanya kata ru kalau ada sekoi ke tempat ke bebu vaksin kan ke bagi ILR ni ke bebu ke vaksin tadi ru kalau ran kan ni ka solar di kiri laptop kiri ban charge ki mobile ki ban charge ki laptop ki ru la ran be kan ka solar kan di ka sugar part ki no snong bakin ya bakin kam ya one nang ya one shu shakmat ban nim ya ting henry ai ba kediwan ban kediwan deliver yiki kediwan kha yi lung hang ni na ba ki nurse ki doctor yi ni ki pala dep ki training ki la dep ki kuli ki dep nam ta shu ban kam peti shu ban kha nang ba ka jing yap ki ni ki long ki ba armet ban ki lung ki ba shu kan pinduna
to everyone and our respected honorable MLA Shri Jason Maulong, our respected director for NHM, our officials from the Selco Foundation, all the other officials from the health department, and all my dear Asha workers and all my dear friends who are gathered here today. Today happens to be the 7th of April, which is also the World Health Day. So on this day, I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you on this very, very important occasion. And it is also very appropriate that today we are here in the sub-center, and we have been able to provide solar panels and solar-powered energy-efficient equipments to run different services in this particular sub-center. And I must take this opportunity to congratulate the health department, the NHM, the local MLA, and also thank the Selco Foundation for having installed these kind of solar systems in more than 100 sub-centers throughout the state, and they intend to increase it and cover more than 350 sub-centers in a very, very short time. The most important aspect of these kind of solar powered system is that they help in providing the basic services at the grassroots level, and where most of the sub-centers face a large challenge in terms of stable infrastructure and also stable power supply. These kind of units and these kind of systems allow these services to be provided to the people at the grassroots level. We were just shown that there were solar-powered, energy-efficient vaccine storage systems out here, which are highly efficient. We also saw different kind of other equipments that are run on solar, and therefore, once again, I would like to congratulate the NHM and also congratulate and thank the Selco Foundation, which has been instrumental in doing this. And I wish the sub-center the very best, and I urge the officials and all the staff that will be running this sub-center to please use the equipments and maintain them so that we're able to provide proper service to the people of the state. Apart from that, on this day, I'm also very happy to inform you that as a government, we are very, very focused on the health sector. And in the past 2 years, during the COVID situation, we faced a lot of challenges. But with those challenges, we also saw it as an opportunity to build up the health services and the health infrastructure, which is what we have done. And a large amount of money has been spent on improving the infrastructure in the rural areas. And I can assure the people of the state that in the coming years also, that we will be spending large amount of money, especially in the rural health sector, to more importantly increase the infrastructure, improve the infrastructure, and provide better health services at the grassroots level. I also would like to inform that our ASHA workers, who have been working very, very diligently in the past, a large number of incentives which were due for many, many years, 6 years, 7 years, had not been cleared for them. And I'm happy to announce, and all of you know, that most of those incentives have been cleared for the ASHAs, including the ones that have been pending for the past 7 years, 8 years also. And we want to assure our staffs and all our manpower in the health sector that we will do our best to ensure that your interests are also taken care of, even with all the challenges that we face. So with these few words, once again, I wish the Selco Foundation, I thank them for all the hard work, and I wish each and every one of you once again the very best on this World Health Day. Thank you very much. Kublai, Mathela, and Jai Hind.